Well, I'm just getting over being sick for like 3 days in a row. I won't even tell you what was happening to my body, but it was disgusting. So this is the first that I felt kind of remotely better, so I'm taking the kids, we're getting out of the house. Amber is at home, trying to do something fun with the kids since we haven't had a chance to get out of the house for a few days. So we're gonna go check out Inside Out, and well, first we're gonna go out to eat, and then we're gonna go check out Inside Out. Well, unfortunately, we are on our way home. No movie tonight. The place that we were at, the Jug, it's no wonder they've been out of business before. It took them like 45 minutes to get us hot dogs, and then at that point it was too late for us to make it to the movie that we were scheduled to go see. Movie time. So we're going to check it out now. Right now our internet is down at the house. It's a super rainy day, so I don't really want to go work anywhere else. And without the internet, I can't work at home. So we're gonna go to the theaters and check it out now.